I'm gonna turn this into a bear. Good, stop, straight down. I'm gonna start taking a lot of weight right off the top real fast. And anytime I start a carving, I like to go do a little research, and so if there's any live animals, you gotta go sniff them out, and nothing is better than a real animal. Pictures kind of lie to you because the angles might be off. So if you can see the real deal, that's the way to go. Woohoo! All done. That baby's rough. Now all I have to do is just do a little bit of detail around the mouth, the nose, the eyes, a little bit of hair work off the paint.